What's up, guys? It's your girl Matt Cox with Maccouture Crafting, and we are doing another Notion for Notions video, which is where I bring you guys notions that I think you guys need to know about if you don't know about them. This one here was a late find. My girlfriend introduced me to it. My life has been changed by Starch. So I was using Best Press, but I wasn't getting the best results. Best Press smells very good. But it doesn't, for me, I just haven't found that it really does what I needed it to do. It didn't really add the body that I was looking for. I'm probably using it wrong. It does smell good. Then I got into Faultless Starch, not the Niagara Starch, the Faultless. I think it's the Faultless, but it's the one in the gold container, which works really, really nicely. It's the silky, like smooth sheen. I think it's like a luxury sheen or something another. That one works really, really well, but it's still a starch. So you will get some flaking if you're super heavy like me, and you kind of have to be careful, even though it says non-flaking. You can work around it. I mean, if you do it properly and spray it and then let it dry, you have less of a chance. And that changed the precision of my quilting. I mean, I'm such a better quilter now after taking the time to really starch the fabrics. But this quilting magic bumps that up a notch, which is such a trip because people do not know about it. I called all the stores. I was looking for it. People know about Terrio Magic, which will turn your fabric to paper if you want it to. You can get it really, really, really stiff. So I use Terrio Magic for very special projects. Usually when I'm doing like applique work or something, maybe I'll use Terrio Magic. But this quilting magic spray, I didn't even know it was created by Faultless. Nobody talks about it. Nobody talks about it. I feel like Faultless doesn't advertise it. This spray has no smell. When I say no smell, people say stuff is unscented, like Best Press unscented. There's still a scent. It's a very beautiful scent. This has no smell, and you have to want to make it flake. Yes, you can make it flake if you build it up on black fabric and then hit it with your iron before it dries or before it's damp. You can make it flake. But even when it flakes off in these very clear, it's just hard to make it flake. But you talk about adding some body to your fabric. It's not as stiff as Terrio Magic. It's still workable, but in the best way. I feel like people aren't talking about it enough, but once they get hip to the game, it's a game changer. No scent. So you still might want to hit it with a little Best Press. I don't know if you should be mixing these things together. My girlfriend was like, well, I just put Best Press in there. I don't know if she should be doing that. I don't know if you should be doing that. Let me be clear. But if you want to spray Best Press on top of it, just because you want to smell the freshness of that, okay. But you guys, this quilting magic spray really is magical. It's weird. People are like, well, what's the name of it? I was like, Quilt Magic. I don't know. Like, it doesn't really have a name. Who's it by? I don't know. Quilt Magic. It's actually by Faultless. They don't talk about it, but it's worth you trying it out. I promise you, I'm not wrong. Get it from Amazon because your local quilt store is going to act like you're crazy if you call in and ask about it. My local quilt stores did not know what I was talking about. And I called all the stores, guys. Check out this spray. It is amazing. I'm going to put it right here. Check it out. It's a good one. I cannot sing its praises enough. Check it out. Check it out. Catch you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.